Tevis Thompson. Now what? Now what? Tevis Thompson.
Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, now what? It's an exciting adventure for me to have turned 67. I thought when I was a young man and 18, 19 that anybody over 60 was an old coot. Well, I'm telling you that I can't believe how young I feel, how young I think, all of the things that just surprise the heck out of me. Now what? Well, I'm going to continue speaking in Toastmasters, speaking with joy and passion every week if I can. I'm going to be the greatest grandfather that ever existed. I learned how to love unconditionally, and now I've got a little great-granddaughter that just eats me up every time I see her. I just can't imagine how wonderful it's going to be raising her. Now what? Passion. Energy, wonderful health. I have the greatest future you could ever imagine. And it's started out as a result of joining Toastmaster. I count Toastmasters as the second best gift I've ever given myself. Quitting smoking was the first. Ladies and gentlemen, now what? It's an exciting life filled with adventure. I can hardly wait to begin. Today is the day. Thank you very much.